Okay children, in third social we have already finished the first lesson. So I'll write this, choose the correct answer. You better take one notebook and make a note down this, choose the correct answer and write the answer and learn the spelling and the words also children. The first one to choose the correct answer. So take a note and get ready children. So you'll write the answer one by one. I think I have already taught this lesson and you might have known the answer. So while I am saying this, you can take the answer also by yourself. That's very good for you too. The basic, first one is the basic unit of the society is dash. What is the basic unit of the society? That is the family. So you write the basic unit of the society. Of the basic unit of the society is dash, family. So if you are having the book children, you can write in the book itself. If you don't have the book, you can take a rough note and write it. So those who didn't get the books, so better come and get the books from the school. If you are paying the fees means, books are all issuing all the children for those who have paid the fees. So we might have informed that. So you pay the fees and get the notebooks children, that will be easy to write and learn and see everything. Okay children. So those are having the book, take your books and make a note down this. The basic unit of the society is village. A1 is village and B is town and C is family. This is lesson number 1. Second one, dash is one of our basic needs. Which is one of the basic needs? Sofa, shelter, car. No, car is not a basic needs. Shelter. First we need the shelter, that is house, shelter. So dash is one of the basic needs. So shelter is one of the basic needs. So you write shelter. So car, sofa, shelter and car. So you can take shelter. And third one, father, mother and children living together is called a small family. That is father, mother, your brother and sister. Along with the grandparents, that is a big family. Joint families along with your relatives, attai, mama, auntie, uncle, peripa, those children are your neighbors, your cousins. They are all called the joint family. But father, mother and children, your brothers or sisters, this is a small family. Father, mother and children living together. So those who are living together is called what family? Small family. Okay children? So the small family. Then dash is the best cultural value of the Tamilians. Which is the cultural value of Tamilians for us? Tell me which is the first hospitality. Hospitality is the best culture. விருந்தோம்பல் ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி வந்தவங்கள அன்போடு உபசரித்து நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிறத கொடுக்கறது, தட் இஸ் கால்டு விருந்தோம்பல், ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி. Hospitality is the best culture of the Tamilians. So learn this children and write a note. Best cultural value of Tamilians. Okay children, so learn the spelling. Best cultural value. Hospitality is the best cultural value of the Tamilians. And this for option is, they are given the options. They will give you the options. So A1 is hospitality and B is celebrating festival, celebrating festival is a culture but not a அதுலேயே முக்கியமாக இருக்கிறது that is the hospitality, celebrating festival. And the third one is going to temple. Going to temple. Okay, so hospitality is the best culture of the Tamilians. And running family by preparing dash. ஸோ ஒரு ஃபேமிலியை ரன்னிங்னா எப்படி ஃபேமிலிக்கு என்னென்ன செலவு பண்ணணும், எந்த வகையில் செலவு பண்ணணும், ஹவு டு டூ த எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் ஃபார் த சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபுட் அண்ட் ரெண்ட், எவ்ரி திங், ஹவுஸ் ஹோல்ட் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ், தென் க்ரோசரிஸ், தென் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ அவுட், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஈட் சம்திங் ஆர் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் ஆர் எனி திங், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஆர்டர் அண்ட் ஈட் எனி திங். So for everything they have to put the budget, how much we have to spend for the each and everything. So running the family, say children, running the family by preparing. So family na kudumbata nadathradhukku running the family by preparing dash. By preparing dash is the best one. Preparing dash is the best way to improve economy. So which is, I said, which is the family? This budget. Okay children, so running the family by preparing the budget is the best way to preparing the economy. So first one is the basic unit of the society is family. Second one is shelter is the basic, is one of our basic needs. Family, mother and living together is called a dash, that is the small family. Dash is the best cultural value of the Tamilians, hospitality. Running the family by preparing dash is the best way to improving the economy, that is the budget. Okay children, so learn this at home along with your books. If you are having the book, you can take a book and see. Okay children, a notebook also you can take. If you have got a new notebook, school notebook, you can take a notebook and you can write also. Then second one is match the following. Match the following. So here they are given character. First one is character. Then sharing work. Maternal relations. Maternal relations means what I told you. Those are the relations of the mother. Maternal relations. Those were the relations of the mother. Maternal relation. Fourth one, outsider. And fifth one is neighbors. Okay, now I have write the options. So you can put whether it is A, B or C. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should live in unity. Should live in unity. And the next one is uncle. And the next one is vegetable vendors. And the fourth one is improve relationship. And respect. So these are the options they are given. You have to find out and say the answer for the question. So first one is the character. So character is a respect. Character or respect. Then you put number 1. Sharing the work. Sharing the work kudukumbodhu what will happen? Improve the relationship. Sharing the work is improve the relationship. Then maternal relation. Maternal relations, uncle. Number 3. Then outsider. is a vegetable vendor. I said no, milkman, vegetable vendor, and gas filling man, everyone, there's a outsiders. The neighbors should live in unity. If you are living அவங்களோட சேர்ந்து இருந்தாலும் I mean பேச்சோட இருந்தாலும் if you need any help they will help us. Okay, so character is and respect, sharing the work, improve the relationship, and maternal relation, uncle, outsider, vegetable vendor. Okay, outsider vegetable vendor is number 4, and neighbors is should live in unity, that is 5th one. Okay children, so you learn all this and do it, practice at home and take a book and practice. Okay, and the next one is true or false. Say true or false, whether it is right or wrong, true or false. A family fulfills our basic needs. Is it true? Yes, your family fulfills our basic needs, all our basic needs. So family fulfills our basic needs. Okay children, so that is true. Okay, underline this. Then our neighbors or our relatives. Our relatives are only our neighbors or our relatives, that is false. They are not relatives but they are the neighbors. Our neighbors or our relatives. Our relations only our relatives. So this is the false. Our economy improves when expenditure exceeds income. That is false. Our economy improves when expenditure exceeds income. So our economy improves. எப்படி economy improve? When expenditure exceeds income. Expenditure na செலவு. செலவு exceeds income. நம்ம வர வருமானத்தை விட செலவு அதிகமாக போனால் economy improve ஆகுமா? No, it should not. கிடையாது. That is false. இன்கம் அதிகமாக இருந்தால் தான் நம்மளால் ஓரளவுக்கு என்ன அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் பண்ண முடியும். இன்கமே இல்லாமல் அளவுக்கு மீறி எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் பண்ணால் எக்கானமிக் ரைசஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகாது. Then we must keep our things in respective places. Yes, we must keep our things in respective places. False. Are you true? I'm sorry. True. So wherever we are taking the thing, we must keep again we must keep the things in the same place only. And simplicity is the best for every family. That is true. Simplicity is the best policy for every family. Okay children, that is true. So a family fulfills our basic needs, that is true. Our neighbors or our relatives, that is false. Our economy improves when expenditure exceeds income, that is false. We must keep our things in respective places, that is true. Simplicity is the best policy for every family, that is true. So learn all this, choose, match and true or false. Now I'll write the question answer. Just two questions. So no, take a note and make a note it down. Buy the book, children, so that it will be easy and you can see your book also. Okay. Okay, now answer the following. Say answer the following. So question answers. Name the types of families. Name the types of families. What are the types of families? We have already seen small family, large family and a joint family. So the answer is the types of family. Families are, first one, small family, large family, and joint family. So name the types of families. The types of families are small family, large family and joint family. Small family are also called as nuclear family. Small family are also known as nuclear family. And large family is also known as extended family. Large family is also known as extended family. Okay. Now, the next question is, what do you mean by joint family? What do you mean by joint family? What do you mean by the joint family? A family with more than 2 children are known as the more than 3 generations. 2 or 3 generations living together. 2 or 3 generations living together. Is known as is called joint family. Okay, children. So 2 questions along with this you learn at home. What do you mean by joint family? 2 or 3 generations living together is called as joint family. So learn all this, children. Choose the best answer we have listened today from the first lesson. Choose the correct answer. Match the following, true or false, and answer the following. So everything I have written on the board. So go through this and learn the spelling also. What are the spellings here in this? Choose the best answer. Society. Underline the spellings while I am telling. Society, then family, shelter, together, family, hospitality, cultural, Tamilians, then temple, running, preparing, running you know the spelling, no? Preparing, economy, wealth, money. What all the spellings I have written, you make a note and practice at home, children. So all this 2 question answers I have already told you. So practice it and learn spelling and try to read at home. Okay. Try to read and do. Write a dictation words like that. Write the missing letters like this, everything. Okay children, so learn everything and take your book and go through this lesson.